लेक्चर नंबर 17, aldehydes and ketones. अभी it's a extended form of ammonia derivatives का reaction. In the last lecture we have seen how ammonia reacts in a different way with formaldehyde, acetaldehyde as well as acetone. Now it is the extension form, so it is called as the ammonia derivatives. The very first thing I would like to clear कि what is ammonia derivatives मतलब अमोनिया का जो H है ना that is replaced by any of the group. अभी what are the groups have written there, वहां पे राइट हैंड साइड पे देखो, पार्टीशन के राइट हैंड साइड पे देखो, Z we can be equal to R OH NH2. See I have this ammonia is NH3, तो NH3 का H is replaced by R, so this is a Z. Okay, it can be R dash. Similarly this can be equal to OH, similarly it can be equal to NH2. So these are all the reactions of ammonia derivatives. Point number 1, the reaction takes place at the moderately acidic medium. The reaction takes place at the moderately acidic medium. Let us go for the reactions one by one. एग्जाम में कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे कि दे मे आस्क यू व्हाट इज द एक्शन ऑफ एसिटाल्डिहाइड ऑन हाइड्रोक्सिल अमाइन. यू जस्ट हैव टू, मैंने जनरल यहाँ पे लिखा है CO करके, दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, कैन बी एन अल्डिहाइड, कैन बी अ कीटोन. बट now exam में अगर एसिटाल्डिहाइड पूछा then you can write the reaction accordingly. Okay, that it means. Now the very first reaction, reacting with a primary amine in the presence of H plus, it is converted to a Schiff's base. All the reactions are the examples of condensation reactions. It would take you just 1 minute to just remember the reactants. सभी कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शंस है, सभी रिएक्शंस में देयर इज द रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एंड देन द करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म. द सेकंड रिएक्शन यू कैन से इट एज हाइड्रोक्सिल अमाइन. हाइड्रोक्सिल अमाइन इज व्हाट NH2OH, so that is converted to an oxime. Hydrazine, what is hydrazine? NH2NH2. What is Z? Z is equal to NH2 here. Okay, ammonia derivatives मतलब H is replaced by NH2, that is hydrazine. Hydrazine converted to hydrazone. फिनाइल हाइड्राजीन मतलब यहाँ पे मैंने H को रिप्लेस किया बेंजीन रिंग से, so that is फिनाइल हाइड्राजीन. फिनाइल हाइड्राजीन converted to phenyl hydrazone. Same conditions throughout. All the reactions taking place in the presence of H plus. The next is 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Means what I have done? This is 1, this is 2. 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine converted to 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Next, semicarbazide. What is semicarbazide? NH2, NHCO, NH2. What is the Z group over here? The Z group is NHCO, NH2. That is semicarbazide. This molecule is semicarbazide. And the same condition, in the presence of H plus, it is converted to semicarbazone. So these are all the reactions of ammonia derivatives. Okay, next right hand side पे देखो, I've written the general reaction. Okay, general reaction, that is NH2Z. What are Z? Z can be either of this, either of the group which is present on the left hand side. Which groups are there वो भी मैंने नीचे लिखा है. So that is the product accordingly we get. Now very important, the reaction is in the presence of a dilute acid, moderately acidic medium. pH is less, it is not more, pH is less. Okay, moderately acidic, 3 to 5 के बीच में pH है. Now I have written the mechanism for the same. The very first step, it is protonated, accepts a proton. जैसे हमने अल्कोहल के इसमें मैकेनिज्म में किया था, the first step is exactly very similar, and then the aldehyde or the carbonyl group gets protonated. In the next step, that protonated मतलब ये जो कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है ना, that will be reacting with a nucleophile I could say, because nitrogen पे you can see there is a lone pair of electron, and then the positive charge will be migrated to nitrogen because कार्बन का वैलेंसी यहाँ पे satisfied हो गया. Okay, now the next step में क्या होगा? There is a removal of water. Okay, red box में मैंने लिखा है. So there is a removal of water, and then उसके बाद there is a deprotonation. H plus bond is removed and that is converted to the product. Okay, so that is how we get the product. The reaction, I repeat, the reaction is in the presence of a moderately acidic medium. And okay, now next, a question may be like, what happens? Why it is not in the strong acidic medium? Because if the reaction is carried out in the presence of a strong acid, then ये जो NH2Z है, that is वो जो अमोनिया का डेरिवेटिव है, that will react with H plus, forming a salt. NH3 plus Z, that is a salt. अभी nucleophile, is it a nucleophile? No. Will the reaction proceed? No. Will the reaction take place? No. So the reaction is not in the presence of a strong acid. The reaction is in the presence of a moderately acidic medium. So that is all about the reaction of ammonia derivatives. You may find कितने सारे reactions है, लेकिन they are very easy to understand. All are the examples of condensation. Okay.